Hello everyone, welcome to Dante's Daily Diary and welcome to the second part of our tour on the world's largest free-flying indoor aviary, Bird Kingdom, Niagara Falls. Okay folks, let's continue the tour. Let's go folks! Okay folks, here's a review of what we had on the first video. This is the museum. Amazing. So there's lots of memorabilia here that is immortalized in the picture. One of the most famous. Okay, here's Ramses the First. Look at the Sarcophagus of Ramses. So they were able to station Ramses the First here until they shifted back to Egypt. 1901 on his 63rd birthday, taking along her feline friend. So here are some of the Egyptian artifacts. And yeah, so this is it folks, coffin of Ramses the First. Again folks, if you're liking this video, don't forget to click the like button and share the video. Please subscribe to my channel as well and click the little bell icon so you get notified of all my video postings. Okay folks, let's continue the tour. Okay, these are some of the antique bottles. They were able to preserve it. Look at that. Ooh. Let's explore some more. Folks, please let me know. Log your comments down below if you know what's inside this door and if we can open it. Okay? Okay, let's walk further. Right, this is the start. Okay, this is the first small bird aviary section. And let's see what's in here. Ooh, double door. Ooh. Okay, it's beginning to be so smelly, folks. Okay, let's go in. We have some old typewriter here. And a globe. All right. some old transistors and some old drawers, whatever. There's the box here. Let's go inside. Alright. So I already got the setting here. See, it looks like this theme is like in the movie Jungle Book or Raiders of the Lost Ark, whereby, you know, your plane crashes and then you're stuck in the Amazon jungle, and from there you go through your journey and then you see some of those species of birds and all that. So ang ganda ng theme niya. The theme is really very, very nice. And look at the wall. They're painted orange. It mimics the sunset. Again, after touring this small bird aviary, then you're gonna go to the next section, whereby it is really dark because it mimics the setting that you're lost and then you're just like finding your way out, and inabot kayo ng dilim, like you didn't even expect that, you know, you're gonna stay there up until nighttime. I think that's the theme of the way they designed this aviary. Very nice concept. I like it. Ang ganda. Ganun ang settings niya. It's just like derived from the movie. And look at those birds. They're just all over the place. Okay. Okay, that's common. I think that's a sparrow. Well, that's a partridge. I think that's a choke partridge. Okay, dito tayo. Let's go here. Anyway, I'll just tell you what I saw in here. I saw a peasant, great-tailed grackle, green-naped lorikeet, and the golden peasant. I saw a golden peasant as well. Lorikeet, macaw. I saw a macaw. Parrot. Yeah, there's parrots in here as well. Turaco, like a Guinea turaco. I've seen that as well. And Guyana toucanet. Hyacinth macaw. I was able to see that here as well. They're really, really Nice. Java sparrow, I've seen that. Laughing kookaburra, I've seen that. I think that was on the first vlog. If you watch the part 1 of the video, yeah, you'll see that. We have Molokan cockatoo. We saw that one as well. And military macaw, I've seen that. Pitch-faced lovebirds, I've seen that as well. And yeah, they're iconic. I think that's a scarlet macaw. Oh, that's a, yeah, that's a scarlet macaw. Female silver peasant, I've seen that. Hornbill, I've seen hornbill as well. Superb starling, I've seen that. Yellow-naped Amazon, white-throat laughing thrush, I've seen that. Cheek turaco, I've seen that as well. Silver-beak tanager, I've seen that as well. Nandi conure, I've seen that as well. Wow, I've seen the green araucari as well. Green-winged macaw, I've seen that. African parrot, yeah, I've seen that. Cattle egret, I've seen that. Chaco chachalaka, I've seen that as well. Budgerigar, I've seen that. Blue-breasted kingfisher, I've seen that as well. Blue-crowned pigeon, I've seen that. Blue-scale quail, I've seen that as well. And I've seen an African village weaver as well. And African pied crow, I've seen that. Alexandrine parakeet, I've seen that as well. Bare-eyed cockatoo, I've seen that. Okay, let's go here on the nocturnal section. Again, as you can see, folks, let's just pretend that I am just like touring the area, finding the way out. It's just like in the movie, nighttime closes in. And now this is nighttime, and yeah, we're gonna check out those nocturnal species, just like those creatures that are awake at night.
Sugar glider. I see lots of videos on like Instagram of these guys. People have them in, like in their house, and they've got like something in their hand, and then it moves up. And...
These are nocturnal birds and animals. Cool. So how are you liking the tour, folks? If you like it, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to respond. Okay, folks, let's continue the tour. All right, this is a poison arrow frog. Wow, look at that.
Oh, yeah. So cute.
Oh, it's so blue, eh?
So cute.
Yeah,
Poison arrow.
it's an arrow frog. Okay, what's this? It's kind of really dark though, like my camera is not really good This is just an iPhone 6, so it's really blurry. But I guess we can still see it. Let's find the owl. Where's the owl here? Okay, let's find the owl. Where's the owl here?
Did you see it?
Okay. Ooh, tarantula. I think that's the Brazilian red bird-eating tarantula. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Whoa, wicked, eh? So again, folks, if you're in the Amazon jungle, this is probably what you'll find there. Okay, pixie frog. Yeah. Sa Pilipinas yan yung tinatawag na palakang bato. Yeah. They're also nocturnal. Malabo lang, hindi makita mga folks. Pasensya na kayo. Okay, that's the axolotls.
Si monkey. Si monkey.
That's an amphibian. Look at that. It's like a sea monkey. It's like, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's called axolotls. Wow. Looks funny, eh? Yeah. Okay. What's in here? Let's explore some of the areas here. See what we can find.
Bats are especially adapted to sit down. They have one-way valves in their arteries and veins to keep blood from flowing.
That's another tarantula spider.
They also have special clothes, so you don't have to spend any additional energy. Africa,
That's an
as well
Egyptian
as the
fruit
Middle
bat.
East and parts of Southeast Asia. Egyptian fruit bats can live in large colonies. They communicate with other members of their colony.
So, mga paniki, folks. Yan yan. Mga makikita nyo sa Egypt, Middle East. Yan, sa Pilipinas, yan yung mga exotic foods kinakain.
Hindi. Wow. Ano sila sila?
One example of the harm from tourism is a disease called white nose
Okay, we still have a long way to go, folks. We still have part 3 and probably part 4, but I'm gonna try to reduce the video so that para hindi kayo magsawa. Okay, folks, I think we'll end the vlog here for now. Okay, folks, this concludes our video tour on Niagara Falls Bird Kingdom. Thanks for watching, folks. I'll see you on the next video. Take care, folks. Stay safe. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.